Asun tuossa keittiökoulupuisto.
This is also very nice today on the 16th of July 2025. We have Kirkkokatu one taking sticker in Lahti, Finland. You can also watch the Texas VNC here and take a stay like so because it's too low. Best is 4 per 13 grams. With 10 floors here. Sensors. It was built in 1956, modernized in 1993. Here, interesting. So 656 now. Probably late 1993.
Yeah. It can set it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can actually see the sticker. That one is from July 1993.
Yeah.
Summer 1993 now, 32 years back.
Yeah.
At the moment. Interesting. So this was modernized in the summer of 1993.
Yeah.
But then late 1994 and early 1995, two others.
Maybe. They can also be summer 1994 and summer 1995.
Mm. I somehow expected 1996, but it was 1993.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
Yeah, but it cancelled it.
Still, but now, yeah.
But that was weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. It's expensive.
That's